welcome back to another video, Cooking with Brina Love. And today I'm gonna be doing a egg omelet, a bacon and egg omelet with this kind of bread. I'm gonna toast this on the stove. All right, y'all, let's get started. Go ahead on and get my bacon going. This the bacon I'm using. Oscar Mayer. We put a little oil in the pan. Because you know that turkey needs some oil to it. And good morning to everybody. I hope everybody have a blessed day. A great day. That's all I need. All right, y'all, and now go ahead on and do my bread. And I got some butter, y'all. Put on the bread while I toast it. I'm gonna toast it on the stove. Yup. I said I'd cook some breakfast this morning. I had to taste for some breakfast. I don't eat a lot of breakfast much. And I'm putting some butter on the bread. See, I'm putting the butter on the bread. Got my bacon cooking. Go ahead, turn that up. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna put it in this pan to toast it. Alright. Now I'm gonna cut my vegetables. I got me a red pepper, yellow pepper, and green pepper. I like mushrooms. Also got some garlic. I got this half an onion I cut yesterday. I didn't need that much onion. And I forgot my tomatoes. Got me a tomato. Wash it off. All right, y'all, let's get this cutting. See if y'all can see me. Oh, I like to put a little black pepper on my bacon. All right, let's get the slicing. Slicing my vegetables. And thank y'all again for the 50 subscribers. I thank my viewers. I appreciate all of y'all. All the love. I thank y'all so much. And now I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. Y'all, I'm back. I had to freeze some storage. Still frying my bacon. Cutting my vegetables. I'm just cutting it up in small squares. Alright. Can y'all see me? still. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm doing my eggs. I put some onion powder, salt, and pepper in it. Now I'm getting ready to do my omelet. I got the butter in the pan. And I'm going to also spread to make sure it don't stick. I got my vegetables sauteed. Got my vegetables. I didn't saute my tomatoes. I don't like that saute. It gets mushed. I got all my vegetables sauteed. I got my bread toasted up. My husband, he want mayonnaise on his. You want it on both sides?
Just a little bit, just a little bit.
Alright, y'all. The pan getting hot. Now I'm going to go ahead on and add my eggs to the pan. I hope y'all can see it. Yeah, add my eggs to the pan. Ooh, let me get my spatula. My favorite spatula. Let that cook a little bit, and then I'm gonna add some of my vegetables to it. Yep. All right, I'm gonna start adding some of my vegetables. Some of that vegetable. And now some tomatoes. All right, y'all. This is the outcome of my bacon and egg omelet. Don't that look so good? Don't that look so good? Yes. This is the outcome. And I thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Turn on your notification bell so when I post another video, y'all be notified. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Say hi to the mister.
What's up, people?
Bye. Love y'all.